If you want to go ahead and quickly get started with adding out information inside of Notion, then what you can do is you can actually utilize something called templates. So to do that, on the home page, you actually have access to featured templates. So you have access to student dashboard, as you can see, to-do list, class notes, and so forth. Or you can go to the three dot button and then explore more templates from over here as well. And then you got access to more templates. So apart from the home page, you can also access templates by scrolling down, and here you can access the templates from here. So now over here, there's different types of templates that you can use. Let's say, for example, I'm going to say meeting minutes right here, just like this. And if I were to go ahead and do that, then you can see the meeting minute templates that you can use. So now you can simply go ahead and click right here, and then you can go ahead and then add this in right here. You can add to team or add to private right here. So let's add to private, and over here you can see that this is being added. So over here you can see the meeting minute template that has been added in, and now you can simply go ahead and replace out the content as you like. And this is how you can go ahead and utilize template to go ahead and then change around the content, and then immediately go ahead and start taking content in a specific format inside of Notion, and then speed up your workflow. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.